And so when we think about body condition scores, typically within your herd, your body condition score is going to range across 3 scores. So your herd may be mainly 4, 5s, and 6s. They may be 5, 6s, and 7s, or they could be 6, 7s, and 8. One thing you want to pay attention to is if you have a cow or two that's way fatter than everybody else, or a cow or two that's way thinner than everybody else. Especially on those thin cows, we want to look and see is there something else going on from a health standpoint that we would want to pay attention to. On the fat cows, we would want to make sure that that cow actually wean and raise a calf this year, or she dried and didn't raise a calf, and that's why she's in such better condition compared to the rest of the cattle. Now, some people worry about cattle getting too fat. I personally don't worry about that in a scenario like this, where we're talking about a set of breeding cows here who have all raised a calf each year. If we're doing a good job on our forage management or stocking rate, we can have those cows get a little fatter. And so if we do get in a little rougher times, we have some built-in condition that we can use when things get a little tougher. As we look across this set of cows, we talked about the cows kind of ranging across 3 body condition scores. Most of the cows in this group here would range from a body condition score from 5 to 7. Maybe 1 or 2 just a touch thinner than a 5, and 1 or 2 a real strong 7, maybe above that. But for the most part, 5, 6s, and 7s is what we would be looking at in this group of cows. Another thing you want to pay attention to when you're looking at body condition score is sometimes the black-hided animals are a little harder to look at. They hide their flaws a little bit more, as well as they hide some of that muscle and fat dimension a little bit more. So just make sure you pay attention to that when you're looking at body condition score.